scratch bill form plan. So this is a wind is tied down by a rubber band. Okay, so just one sheet of. So it's very lightweight. And those servos mounted on the side. Just 2 servo. Okay, that's a scratch bill form. Bang it up pretty good at the fronts, and so every time you bang it up, you just duct tape it. Or in my case, it's strap tape. Use strap tape to fix it, reinforce the front because it get banged up pretty bad. Okay, yeah. It's a Slowflyer. Just have rudder and elevator. And the battery is it's a 3-cell battery. It's nice and slow. It's a pretty gentle, relaxing, easy fly. You don't need a lot of space. I find it pretty low. It's a little bit of wind, but seem to be handling a little bit of wind okay. So this is bill from foam board from the dollar store. Okay, so the material cost is pretty minimal. I think the electronics are the one that's probably cost the most. The servos and the brushless motors, the lipo battery. There you go, no landing gear, but it's flashed on pretty good. And the propellers doesn't seem to get damaged, so this is APC propeller. Let's see how this flies now. Okay, so I'm mostly flying at half throttle. So this is sort of half, actually probably even just a quarter throttle, not 1/3 throttle, not even half throttle. Let's see how this goes with the loop. It's not designed to do acrobatic, but if you really want to. Okay, let's see if we can do a loop. Yeah, that's half throttle. That's only a half throttle. I generally want to do this fly as a duration fly rather than speed. Okay, throttle's cut. Let's glide it back in. Good.